This video is going to be a demonstration of what happens when the only thing you do is restart the license server after you've run out of licenses. So what I've got here is my license server right now. I have 5 concurrent licenses available, and if I do my concurrent usage, I have 0 right now because I have nobody logged in and I just restarted everything. And if I run my concurrent batch file, this says no users logged in right now. So 0 in use. So what I have is 6 actually different browsers set up here on different virtual machines that you can't see all of them. But anyway, I'm going to log in to my first machine as user 1. All right. So when I log in as user 1, it will show that I have 1 user license log used. Makes sense. Same thing goes for this. Okay, so there's user 1. So now I'm going to log in on my other box here as user 2, 3, and 4. User 2. And this will be user 3. Okay, so now when I look at here, I should have 3 concurrent licenses in use, and same with here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this one, I'm going to log in as user 4. This might flicker, I just restarted stuff, so let's see what it does. Alright, that's because I restarted things. Okay, so anyway, user 4 here. Okay, he's in. And I'm going to log in as user 5 here on this other box. So, user 5. Okay, so I'm logged in using all of my concurrent licenses. If I do this, I have 5 in use. And if I do this, I have 5 in use. So, just to prove it here, we'll log in as user 6. And this one will give me an error that I don't have any more licenses. Again, these are flickering because I just restarted everything. But anyway, so user 6 will get an error. Okay, no more concurrent licenses. And if I look in here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are in use. And here's still 5. Alright, so now all I'm going to do is restart the license server service. And that's right here. If I restart it, so I'm not going to touch any of my browsers. So that's restarted. So now this, when I look at license server, it's going to say 0. Okay, and this will say 0. Okay, so now I'm not going to do anything to the browsers, but wait 5 minutes. Okay, so let me just pause the video for 1 second or 5 minutes and come back. I'm not going to do anything else. I'm not touching in the browsers. I'm not logging in or out or anything. I'm just going to let this sit for 5 minutes. Come back. It's been about 5 minutes or so. And again, I haven't touched anything with any of my browsers. And when I hit the concurrent usage, now I'm up to 5. And if I look down at my report here, I've got 1 through 5 in here again. So what happens is if you restart the license server, this will get back down to 0. But if you don't restart IIS as well to clear out its licenses, it will just keep hold of those licenses, and then after about 5 minutes, it does a kind of a lifeline check about every 5 minutes or so, and it says I have these licenses checked out. And if you come back to the license server, you're going to notice that they're checked out again. So that's how it works. It looks a little strange if you just restart license server because this will be 0 initially, but if you wait 5 minutes, the ones that are already out will show back up. The strange thing is if you restart and you log in, we could, yeah, anyway, if you log in, you'll use one of those licenses up, and then when it redoes its check, somebody's going to get bounced out because there's not enough licenses. So that's how it works.